Welcome everyone to the Learn English channel. We hope you have a fun and enriching time learning with us. Please don't hesitate to share your feedback and suggestions so we can continue to improve. Thank you for watching. Cheryl, right? Hello, is this a nice restaurant?
Yes, it is very nice.
I am hungry. Can I see the menu?
Of course. Here is the menu.
Thank you. What do you recommend?
I recommend the pasta. It is very good.
I like pasta. What kind of pasta do you have?
We have spaghetti and fettuccine.
I will have the spaghetti, please.
Great choice. Do you want anything to drink?
Yes, I would like water, please.
Do you want sparkling or still water?
Still water is fine.
Okay. I will bring that for you.
Thank you. Can I also get some bread?
Yes, I will bring you some bread.
How long does it take to cook the pasta?
It takes about 10 minutes.
That's not long.
No, it's quick.
Do you have any salads?
Yes, we have a house salad.
What's in the house salad?
It has lettuce, tomatoes, and cucumbers.
That sounds healthy. I want a salad too.
Would you like a small or large salad?
A small salad, please.
I will add that to your order.
Can I have some dressing with my salad?
Yes. What dressing do you want?
I like ranch dressing.
Okay. I will bring ranch dressing.
Can I see the dessert menu?
Yes, here is the dessert menu.
What is the most popular dessert?
Our chocolate cake is very popular.
I love chocolate cake. I will have a slice.
Great choice. I will bring that for you.
Thank you. I am excited to try everything.
I am glad to hear that. Do you need anything else?
Do you have any appetizers?
Yes, we have garlic bread and bruschetta.
Garlic bread sounds perfect. I'll have that too.
Excellent choice. I will bring it right away.
Thank you. Everything sounds delicious.
We try our best. How is the atmosphere here?
It's very cozy and warm. I like it a lot.
I am happy you are comfortable.
This garlic bread is amazing.
I am glad you enjoy it. Do you like Italian food?
Yes, I love Italian food. It's my favorite.
Then you chose the perfect place.
It seems so. How is the spaghetti made here?
We make it fresh every day. It's very authentic.
That's wonderful. I appreciate fresh food.
I agree. It makes a big difference.
Is my food almost ready?
Yes, it should be ready soon.
Great! I am looking forward to it.
Do you have a favorite Italian dish?
I think pasta is my favorite. It's always so good.
I feel the same. Pasta never disappoints.
And it goes well with bread and salad too.
Absolutely. It's a perfect combination.
Wow, this looks delicious. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your meal.
This spaghetti tastes amazing. How do you make it so good?
Our chef has a special recipe with fresh herbs.
That must be the secret. It's full of flavor.
I'm happy you like it. Would you like more water?
Yes, please. Still, water is fine.
Right away.
Do you have a favorite dish here?
I think the lasagna is my favorite. It's very hearty.
I will try that next time.
I think you'll love it.
I'm so full, but that was amazing.
I am happy to hear that. Would you like more bread?
No, thank you. I am saving room for dessert.
Good choice. Are you ready for the chocolate cake?
Yes, please. I can't wait to try it. This looks delicious.
Enjoy it. It's one of our best desserts.
The cake is perfect. It's so rich and moist.
I'm glad you like it. Chocolate cake is popular here.
I can see why. It's the best I've had. Do you have any coffee?
Yes, we have espresso, cappuccino, and black coffee.
I would like an espresso, please.
Coming right up.
This espresso is very strong, just how I like it.
I'm glad it's to your taste. Anything else for you?
No, I am very satisfied. Thank you.
It was a pleasure serving you, Emily.
I had such a wonderful time here.
Thank you. I hope you visit us again.
I definitely will. The food was amazing and the service was excellent.
Thank you very much. We look forward to your next visit.
Goodbye, and thank you for everything.
Goodbye, Emily. Have a great evening.